Okay, 6.1 discusses angle measure. So far, we have looked at how to measure using radians, which we said was the measurement around the outside of the circle. So it's like a distance measurement. Now we're going to talk about degrees. Degrees measures rotation around the circle. So that would be inside. So if we're looking from here, because you always start over here, degrees measures this on the inside. Radians measures this on the outside. So, degrees refers to the rotation on the inside. Radians refers to the distance on the outside. That's if your radius is equal to 1, which is what we had last time because we were talking about the unit circle. So, there is a relationship between the two. Since we know that half a circle is half a circle is how many radians?
3.
Okay, a whole circle is how much? That's degrees. We want radians. Not pi. A whole circle is 2 pi. A whole circle is 2 pi, so that means half a circle is how much?
1 pi.
Pi. So half a circle is 1 pi. Okay, and we know, Anthony, you just said that a whole circle is 360 degrees. So how much is half a circle in degrees?
180.
180. Half of 360 is 180. Yeah? Somebody said they had a question?
No, never mind.
Okay. So if we know that pi is equal to 180 or 180 is equal to pi, so pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So let's say we want to convert between the two. So if you want to convert from degrees to radians, you take your angle measurement. So let's say that you say x and you say times pi over 180. The way I remember this is radians has a pi on the top, so I want to get a pi on the top. Okay? To go the other way, to convert from radians to degrees, I take my x and I multiply by 180 divided by pi. The way I remember that is radians does not have pi in it, so I want to cancel it out, so usually it's on the bottom.
What's the difference between?
One is pi over 180, the other one is 180 over pi. So, cut it out. Now, cut it out. So I'm going to do 2 examples, and I expect everybody to be turning around and taking notes. So example 1, convert (120 degrees) to radians.
Oh, that's easy.
So from degrees to radians, you take 120 degrees and you multiply by pi over 180. So you reduce the fraction. So it'd be 12 pi over 18, which you can reduce again.
Can you do that on calculator?
No. Reduce it again into 2 pi over 3.
That's the final answer.
That is your final answer.
280.
But how come you didn't multiply the 120?
Because 120 times pi is, it's the same, it would be the same as saying 120 pi over 180. Then I took divided both by 10 to get rid of the zeros, so 12 pi over 18. The next example, I'm converting 7 pi over 6 to degrees.
7 pi over 6 times pi.
So you're starting with radians, so you go to degrees. So 7 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. So what happens to the pi's?
Cancel.
They cancel. Okay. And then, how many times does 6 go into 180?
A lot.
30 times.
30.
7 times 30 is 210. So 210 degrees.
Can we use the calculator on the 10?
Wait,
No.